In today's video, I'll be showing you how to withdraw from Deriv to Binance, okay? Yeah, because I know this is something that is disturbing a lot of traders. Yeah, instead of relying on payment agents and various methods, you can just use the most secure one, which is Binance. But how do you tackle it? How do you do it, okay? So first things first is you come to portfolio. Now in portfolio is whereby you see the total amount you have in your account. You see how much you have in US dollar account, how much you have in your options. Basically, you just see the total amount, okay? Now, after you come here, I want you to come and click on transfer. All right. Now, when you click on transfer, all right, I want you to come and click, from, basically, for this part from, select where you want to transfer your money from, okay? So if you want to transfer your money, let's say from, as we start, first of all, we'll transfer our money from our US dollar accounts to TRX, and I'll be showing you what is TRX and where we'll use it, okay? So first of all, I will come and select from my US dollar account, it is there, and then to TRX, okay? Please see the first option, TRX. That one is the one we will be using to transfer from Deriv to Binance. So you basically come and select it. Once you select it, you come and input the amount you want to transfer. Let's say you want to transfer 50 USD, okay? So you'll come and write 50. As you can see, this is the amount that is equal to 50 USD in TRX, okay? Basically, just click on transfer and click on confirm. Okay, as you can see, it is confirming. Boom. So $50 transferred to your TRX wallet. All right. Okay, so you can go and view the TRX balance if you want. You can come and see how much balance you have in TRX and so on. Okay. All right. So there it is. As you can see, the amount you have in our balance is done. You have withdrawn. Now, after this, now I want you to come to, but there you can see the amount has been deducted. Okay. Now, after this, now you come to and click on withdraw. After you click on withdraw, proceed and click on crypto. After you click on crypto, remember TRX, also click on it again. As you can see there, will receive an email with my verification code. Okay, there is the code. After you receive the code, you just input it. After you input it, okay, now this is the part I want you guys to be keen on, all right? Now, withdraw address, where do you get it? Now, I want you to go to your Binance account, all right? I want you to go to your Binance account, proceed and click on add funds. After you click on add funds, click on deposit asset. After you click on deposit asset, I want you to proceed and click on USDT. As you can see, you have USDT. Proceed and click on USDT. After this, proceed and click on TRX. After you click on TRX, I want you to copy this address. As you can see, I've copied it. And then I want you to go back to the app. Come and input that address there. All right, paste that address. Amount. Now here you'll be asked, do you want, do you want to withdraw 25%, 50%, 75%, or 100% of your balance, okay? Yeah, so this is where you're supposed to ensure that, all right, you input whatever amount you want to withdraw. So let's say you want to withdraw 100, you come and select 100. As you can see now, the total amount will be put here. If you want to withdraw 50%, which is equal to 24.5 USD, you can select 50%, or basically you can just come and write whatever amount you want, okay? But as for me right now, I want to withdraw everything, so I'll click 100 and then click on withdraw. After you click on withdraw, as you can see, it will take some time to load. As you can see, withdraw initiated, status initiated, all right? So we'll have to wait for the Binance confirmation right now, and you'll be able to see how it goes, okay? Yeah, so let us see how it, let us wait and see how it goes. Yeah, basically they will tell you they are processing. As you can see now, it is processing, and boom, it has been added. As you can see, when I refresh, it has been added. Yeah, so if you want to see if the money has entered into your account, you can just come to assets, all right? Yeah, when you come to assets, you'll see here crypto deposit 154.559 has been credited, and you can just proceed and click and you'll be able to see everything. Okay. Yeah, basically that is how you withdraw from Binance, from Deriv to Binance. Now, if let's say you're in Kenya, all right, you have this option whereby now you can transfer to M-Pesa. Now you basically just click at this option here called Momo, all right. Yeah, proceed and click on it. Once you proceed and click on it, you can send this money to yourself, okay, if you want to, all right? Yeah, so you can just come here and put your phone number, all right? After you put your phone number, you can enter the amount you want to send to yourself. So let's say I want to send, so 50 USD is approximately like 5,000, 6,000 thereabout. So I can just say 5, all right? And then click on continue. After you click on continue, you can proceed and confirm payment if you want to, all right? Yeah, and you're done, all right? You're done. So method, you can decide where you want to send your money from, but I can just click on confirm and then verify. They're usually very keen to verify, and you're done, all right? And basically that is how you just basically receive your money, all right? Yeah, so I do not want to complete the verification because I don't want to withdraw, but I hope now you have seen how you can basically transact in from Deriv to Binance. If you have any question about this, please let me know. But it's actually a very easy process. It's much safer, okay, as compared to several methods that we have out here.